Hi, my name's Christine, and I'm going to tell you about an object that is important to me. So, here is my object. It's this pitcher. Beautiful glass pitcher. It's very hefty, some good weight to it. And the reason I want to talk about this one is that it is a gift that my wife and I received from a friend who moved to Kansas that we don't get to see very often. And we were visiting, and he had this nice tray with drinks and stuff and a nice picture on it, and we really admired that. And we were talking about how we thought that was really awesome. So that year for Christmas, we got a tray and a really nice fancy picture for entertaining. And now, when we have folks over, I feel like we have a nice setup to have set out. And I just think of when I have it set out too, even though Jesse's not there to hang out with us at these occasions, it kind of brings his presence around to have this as a reminder in that area. And I'm not sure how to bridge this so much into online teaching and learning, but that presence I think is important. That leaving reminders for students, having videos and things for students to know that even though that they aren't with you there, that they feel your presence and see that you do have a hand in the course and that you're there with them, even if not physically. So that's it. That's what I want to talk about. Here's this awesome picture. Maybe one day they'll come over and we'll have some drinks in this lovely pitcher. Thank you.